Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman Chaudhary and in this video I am going to show you how to create molds for such type of parts in SolidWorks. One of my friend who was unable to make a mold for this part wants me to make a tutorial for her. So basic problem in this part to create mold is that this part is hollow from inside. So we need to make it solid. For that, first of all, in the left side we need to delete surface loft 1 and then surface extrude 1. Now click on lofted boss base command and select this face and then this sketch. As you can see, this line is not straight, so drag both of these points to the end of the sketch now. Click on OK button. Once again click on lofted boss base command. Now select this face and then this face. Drag both of these points to the end of sketch. Press OK button. Now drag this sketch to the bottom of all commands. Click on the sketch and edit it. Select line and close it. Press OK button and then save and close the sketch. Now click on extruded cut command and select this sketch. Extrude it on both directions. Now press OK button. Now you can see the part is a solid body now. So click on file and select new. Now open a new assembly. Import this part into the assembly. Now click on this arrow below the insert component button and select new part. Now click on top plane as sketch reference. Press Ctrl+8 for normal to and draw a rectangle bigger than the part. Press OK button and in the features select extruded boss base command. Extrude it 200 millimeters and press OK button. In the search bar write cavity, open cavity command and select this part. Do not select from this angle, select it from this angle or click this arrow and select it from here. Now press OK button. One side of mold is ready. For another side, again click on this arrow below the insert component button and select new part. Select this face as sketch reference. Draw rectangle like this. Now extrude it 200 millimeters. Press OK button. Again cavity. Select it. From here select the part. Press OK button. Both sides of mold have been ready. To view them properly, Configuration Manager, right click on default and select new exploded view. Select one side of mold and drag it. Now select another side of mold and drag it upward. Press OK button and see. Mold is ready. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.